Hey everyone, Traveling Karina here with another hotel tour and review. And this time the hotel is in Rome, Italy. Stick around to see a full tour of a triple room and stunning view from the rooftop bar and restaurant. The main reason we originally picked this hotel for our 2-night stay in Rome was because it looked like it had a traditional Italian feel. We did not want a brand new modern hotel. We were also able to use air miles, which was helpful in saving money. So definitely keep that in mind if you have miles to use and you're looking for a hotel in Rome. We also enjoyed its location. We had a tour starting near the Colosseum and we were able to walk there. The best part was that they had a triple hotel room that fit 3 of us very comfortably. And that's what I'm going to show you now, a triple room followed by the rooftop restaurant. We enjoyed our stay here. It is an older hotel, so definitely keep that in mind when booking here. But it was clean, had spacious rooms, free Wi-Fi, free breakfast. It was perfect for the amount of time that we spent there. I would definitely stay again. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful in any way, please make sure to subscribe. And I also have more Europe content, so make sure to check that out as well. Thank you.